Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to cover how to hide and unhide columns and rows in Excel, and also how to locate the hidden columns and rows in Excel. The purpose of this is to hide sensitive data or confusing data, e.g. when making a presentation, or to hide data that you do not want to appear in your printout while printing a report. So, let's dive right into it. To hide columns, I'll demonstrate three examples. The first example is how to hide a single column. So go to the column header of the column that you want to hide, then select it, then right click, then click hide. The second example is how to hide a section of multiple continuous columns. Again, go to the column header, okay, then select the number of continuous columns that you want to hide, then right click, then click hide. The third example is how to hide multiple columns that are not adjacent to each other. So go to the column header of the first column that you want to hide, then select the column, press the Control key on your keyboard, then go selecting the other columns that you want to hide. Okay, like that. Once you're done, right click on one of the selected columns, then click hide. There you go. So that's it about hiding columns. Next, I'll show you how to unhide columns. So how you go about it? Go to the column header where you can identify their hidden columns. Okay. Select columns on either side of the hidden columns. So in this case, we'll select D and J, okay, because they are hidden columns in between. Then right click, then click Unhide. There you go. So next I want to show you how to unhide column A, and I'll show you two ways on how you can go about it. The first way is go to the column header of column B, okay, then select column B, drag your mouse to the left using the left mouse button, then right click, then click Unhide. There you go. I'll demonstrate the second way on how you can go about unhiding column A, but before I do that, please let's hide column A so that I can show you the second way. So the second way of doing this is using the name box. So what you do, go to the name box, then type cell reference A1, okay, then press enter to select the hidden column, then go to the menu bar, go to click home, then go to format, then under visibility section, go to hide and unhide, then identify and unhide columns and click on it. Then once you click, you can be able to see we've unhidden column A. So that's it about unhiding columns. Next, I'd like to show you how to hide rows. Okay, I'll demonstrate with three examples. First is how to hide a single row. So go to the row header of the row that you want to hide, then select the row, then right click, then click hide. Second example is how to hide a section of multiple continuous row. Again, go to the row header and select a section of continuous rows, okay, then right click, then click hide. The third example is how to hide multiple rows that are not adjacent to each other. So go to the row header, okay, select the first row that you want to hide, press the Control key on your keyboard, then go selecting the rows that you want to hide. Once you're done, right click on one of the selected rows and click hide. There you go. So that's it about hiding rows. Next, I'd like to show you how to unhide rows. So how you go about it, go to the row header of the rows that you want to unhide. Like in this case, you can see here is row 5 and row 14. So that means there are hidden rows in between. So select the row above and row below the hidden rows, then right click, then click Unhide. There you go. Uh, to unhide the first row, okay, to unhide the first row, I'll demonstrate using two ways. The first way is going to the header of row 2, okay, then select row 2, then drag your mouse upward using the left mouse button. Once you're done, right click, then click Unhide. There you go. I'll demonstrate the second way, which is using the name box. But before we do that, please let's hide row 1 again so that I can show you. So the second way is using the name box. So go to the name box, okay, type self-reference A1, okay, then press enter to select the hidden row. Then in the menu bar, go to the home tab, click on it, then format, click on it, and the visibility section, go to hide and unhide, then go to unhide rows and click on it. There you go. So you can see now row 1 is very visible. We can see it. So that's it about unhiding rows. Next, I'd like to show you how to locate hidden rows and columns in Excel. So to go about this, you have to go to select all icon here on top, right? Then click on it to select the entire worksheet. Then under menu bar, go to the home tab and click on it. Then next go to find and select, click on it, go to special, then visible cells only, click on it, then click OK. You can see the borders of rows and columns that are adjacent to hidden rows and columns are marked with a white border. So wherever you can see a white border, just know there are hidden rows or columns in between. Then, kindly note, it's advisable to use the mouse scroll bars to move through the document if the hidden columns and rows are not within the visible worksheet area. So you can scroll up, down, or left to the right to identify more hidden rows or columns. So that's it. Next, I'd like to show you how to unhide all hidden columns and rows in Excel. We'll start by unhiding all hidden columns. Okay, so go to select all icon, yeah, then click on it to select the entire worksheet. Then identify whether you can see anywhere that there are hidden columns, okay, like in this case I can see here there are hidden columns. Then right click on the header, then click Unhide. There you go. So it has unhidden all the hidden columns in this worksheet. To unhide all the hidden rows at a go, you will follow the same procedure or the same steps that you used to unhide all the hidden rows. So again, go to the select all icon and click on it to select the entire worksheet. Then identify if you can see anywhere that we have hidden rows. Okay, then right click on it. Okay, then click Unhide. There you go. So we've unhidden all the rows in this worksheet. So that marks the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this video quite helpful, kindly leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also remember to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And bye.